I was trading this because of the divergence. You know, I have entered this just because of this divergence, guys. So you can see here and also here on the Awesome Oscillator, there's divergence, and I expect the market to reverse a little bit down, but I took a bad risk. As you can see, that's a huge lot size, 1 USD. All right, check it out, guys. Gonna play out because I was pretty sure about what I'm doing, and the market's really precise. Look at the stop loss, so tight. Okay, it's so tight, like 10 USD, like 10% of my account. I risked 10% of my account, and you guys know exactly it's so bad. You shouldn't do that, but I've done it to show you exactly it works. Okay, look at me just trembling here, watching my market running up and down, hoping to get in some profit and lost same time. As you can see like 100% risk of my account. It's going blast in few minutes. And look at it, zero. But don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing. I got you guys. So keep watching. I'm losing this amount of money. Okay, 13. I'm still losing. I'm gonna lose $20. I've risked about 98.99% of my account, and I'm just trembling. All right, check it out, guys. Let's check it out. See how I made a mistake. I love those mistakes. See how I made a mistake. See what I'm gonna achieve from this mistake here, guys. And my take profit just right here. I'm going to change it even down because I'm so bad and greedy, guys. I'm not a good trader at all. And now you feel like, can I close my positions? I have $2 and I have $1. Can I close? I'm going to negatives. Don't worry. You have another trade. It's your analysis. So just let it play. Why should I close my position so early if I already did a mistake entering with a big lot size? Just let me be. Divergence. So okay, it's a divergence, guys, and on the second option I think I've got something here like this. Okay, something here, guys, and this area is also seen to be a supply area. Okay, it seems to be a supply area, guys, but supply area too. Let me just mark it like this. And probably I'm going to mark it just like that. So you can see I'm at 20. Stop loss hit. Supply area almost. And as you can see, stop loss is just there, about 30 USD stop loss. I'm going to cry today. Don't worry. If I cry, I cry. You never know. You never know why I did this. Anyways, I've ended this trade when I was making a tutorial, and I wanted to use 0.001, but actually I've just ended with a 1 lot size, and now I'm going to die soon. So let me just let it play. Then I'll come back bigger than before. I'll come back bigger than before. I'll grow this account back very soon. Actually, it's another boss bonus, guys. You can also see it. So it adds a mirror market, not the boss bonus. You can see here. Okay, so what's the fuss all about? Don't worry, my stop loss is so nice, giving room to a nice play, a nice consolidation, but the divergence is very strong, and I'm sure about it. Anyways, this is so bad, guys. As you can see, so bad, and I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like waiting for trades to run all the time. But anyways, I did it. So can I close my positions? Can I close it? I'm about to close. Oh wait. See what it just done. Yeah, maybe it's enough. It's enough. It's enough. My take profit is so far. It's so far. Should I close? It's 20 years. Can I close? My profit is so high. You guys, I'm running. It's going back. I'm losing some money. It's 11 now. It was just 20 years. Don't worry. Don't panic. You just took the trade. So let it play. Let it play. It's so weird when the market is not moving anyway. It's not taking you out and it's not gonna reach your TP. So it's an awkward moment. So you're just gonna wait. Chill. Take a glass of water and see how it's gonna play out for you. Better luck for you today. You have successfully grown your first account. See you on the next deposit. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. I'm sure it's a very powerful strategy. I've been using it on most of my accounts. You can just check down my account on this channel, guys. You can realize that I've used this type of trading for some times now, and it was a really helpful. Divergence, which is a sign of market reversal, guys. You can see we are running a profit of close to 30 USD, and we are still not reaching our TP because I've just moved my TP a bit down. As you can see, we are running into profit like very fast. Let's see how it's gonna play out. That's a risk I took. We shouldn't do that. You're gonna lose all money. Okay, because this is a no deposit bonus, guys. You can see I've told you it's a no deposit bonus that I've just used to teach my students how to get USD no deposit bonuses. And I'm just giving an example. So I took the trade. Let's see how it's gonna run. Going back, I was just in big profit. Now I'm losing. Whatever. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. But anyway, let me check. Let me take another Fibonacci retracement here, guys. Just show something quickly. Okay, I'm just going to pull it here. I'm going to pull it here, guys, and also somewhere here. And this market is coming down. This market will surely come down. Let me do some of this stuff. Market is coming down. Okay, market is coming down here. Here on the zone. I don't know. On this 161.8. It's actually when the market will come, and surely also another area here, which is here, guys. Just mark our target area. I don't know what's here, but it seems like a significant place. I don't know if there's probably maybe a support resistance somewhere there. Okay, anyways, we do all these things and see how we're gonna lose our money today. It was just about 2 pips before our GP, and we lost that. But anyways, faith in your trading analysis. Okay, anyways, let's see how it's gonna play out, guys. So if I wasn't making this, I could even move my GP somewhere here, because it's gonna reach there, I'm sure. But because of the tutorial, I'm gonna stay there, because you guys shouldn't move your stop loss. I mean your take profit from any point to another. Just let it be. Unless you open 2 positions, you make one take profit with a closer supply or demand area and another one on a bit far. That's how we do. And after you take your first TP, then you move your stop loss to break even. Then you protect your funds and your capitals too. So I'm just gonna let it play. So you can see, guys, it's a beautiful play here, guys, and everybody just wanna check this out. Beautiful play. Let's see how I'm gonna hit our TP just in a minute with probably 30 something or 40, 40 maybe USD or something like that. As you can see, it's almost hit. It's almost hit, guys. Let's just see how it's gonna play out. It won't be hit. It will only be hit by the red line, which is an ask price. It's gonna hit that with an ask price, guys, and let's be sure about it. So if you didn't hit, that's our bad luck for today. That's the life of a trader. You lose, you win. Né? So it shouldn't be a phenomenon losing a trade, but you shouldn't take more than 10% of your trade in one, but 10% of your capital in one trade. You shouldn't do that. You're gonna do, I recommend you using 1%, 0.5% of your capital. Then that's how you're gonna do it. You ain't gonna make $1 million in just one trade. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't strive for that. Start growing your knowledge on how to trade these stocks, guys. You can see I'm just doing it faster, and this is the time you wanna take your profit, guys. Usually it's not a bad thing to take your profit here because we have just reached, and wow, we have gained about 50% of our trade. You can see that, and you're done. Okay, guys, and we're done with it. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also try hitting our subscribe and also liking this video. As you can see, the market is still going down to our marked area, which is 161.8% there on a Fibonacci retracement that I've just pulled up. As you can see, and we made some money out of it, guys, and that was beautiful. See you guys in the next video.